Next topic, multiplying a binomial by a binomial. Multiplying a binomial by a binomial. Binomial is also a polynomial. Then x plus 3 into y plus 2. Okay. This is the first expression, x plus 3. Second expression, y plus 2. In first expression, two terms are there, x and 3. Second expression also two terms, y and 2. Okay. Here, in the first expression, first term is x. Then x multiplied by what? Second expression. Second term 3. 3 also multiplied by second expression. Okay. Each term of the first term multiplied by the second expression. That means x into y plus 2 plus 3 into y plus 2. Next, using distributive property, x into y, xy, x into 2, positive 2x, 3 into y plus 3y, 3 into 2 plus 6. Okay. Here, next step, you should check it, any like terms is there. xy, any xy term? No xy term. No x term is there, only one x term, y term, only one y term. This is the final answer, xy plus 2x plus 3y plus 6 is the final answer. Okay. Next is second question. Second question, x minus 4 into 2x plus 3. X minus 4 into 2x plus 3. Here in first expression, first term is x, second term is negative 4. Okay. Second expression 2x plus 3. Both expressions are binomials. Then how can you multiply these two binomials? First x into first term x into second expression. Second binomial means what? 2x plus 3. Second term, what is the second term? Negative 4. Negative 4 into second expression, that means 2x plus 3. That means each term of the first expression multiplied by second expression. Okay. Then by using the distributive property, you can expand this 2x, x into 2x, 2x square, x into 3 plus 3x. Next, negative 4 is there. Negative 4 into 2x, negative 8x. Negative 4 into 3, negative 12. Okay. Here, in this step, you check any like term is there. Can you see? Plus 3x and minus 8x. These two are like terms. X, what is the power of x? 1. Here also, what is the power of x? 1. Then these two terms are like terms. 2x squared. How can you add these two like terms? Here, add like term means add its coefficients. Plus 3 minus 8 minus 5x, same variable, you should write it there. Negative 5x minus 12. This is the final answer. X square term is the x term. We can add it together. Okay, this is the x square term. This is the x term. Okay, 2x square minus 5x minus 12 is the final answer. Exercise 9.4. Multiply the binomials. First one, 2x plus 5 and 4x minus 3. 2x plus 5 into 4x minus 3. Okay, same, each term multiplied by the second expression, that means 2x into 4x minus 3. What is the second term? Positive 5. That means plus 5. Plus 5 into 4x minus 3. Okay. So expand this. How can you use the distributive property? 2x into 4x. 2 into 4, 8. X into x, x squared. Okay. 2x into minus 3, negative. 2 into 3, 6x. Okay. Next 5 into 4x, both are positive, plus 20x. Okay. 5 into negative 3, this is a negative sign, that means 5 into negative 3 equal to minus 15. Okay. 8x square minus 6x plus 20x minus 15. Here negative 6x and positive 20x are like terms. You can add together. Add together means you can add its coefficient. Minus 6 plus 20. What is minus 6 plus 20? Plus 14. Same variable, you should write it here, 14x minus 15. 8x squared plus 14x minus 15 is the answer. Next one, second question, y minus 8 and 3y minus 4. Y minus 8 into 3y minus 4. Multiply these two binomials. Okay, first term y into second expression 3y minus 4. Y into 3y minus 4. What is the second term? Second term is negative 8. But negative, what's the minus 8 into 3y minus 4. Y into 3y, 3y squared, minus y into 4, 4y. Okay. Next, negative 8 into 3y, negative 24y. Negative 8 into negative 4, positive 32. Here, in the steps, negative 4y and negative 24y are like terms, you should add it. Here, negative 4 minus 24, 3y squared minus 28y plus 32. This is the final answer. Fifth one, 2pq plus 3q square and 3pq minus 2q square. Can write it 2pq plus 3q square into 3pq minus 2q squared. Okay. First term into second expression. That means 2pq into 3pq minus 2q square. First term into second expression plus second term. Second term means what? 3q square into second expression 2q square. Here 2pq into 3pq. 2 into 3, 6. pq means what? P into q. Here also p into q. P into q into p into q. That means p square into q squared. Okay. Minus 2 into 2, 4. P into q squared. That means pq into q squared. That is q raised to 1. P into q raised to 3. Q raised to 1 into q squared. Q raised to 3. Plus 3 into 3, 9. Q square into PQ. Q square into PQ. P and Q power is 1. Then P into Q raised to 1 into Q raised to 2. That means Q raised to 2 plus 1 equal to Q raised to 3. Or 9 PQ cube. Plus 3q square minus 2q square minus 6 q square into q square into q square equal to q raised to 2 plus 2 equal to q raised to 4. Here p q cube, here also p q cube. These two are like terms. 6p square q squared, negative 4 plus 9. These two are like terms, you can add it together. Okay, negative 4 plus 9 plus 5. Same variable part you should write it here also. Okay, pq cube minus 6q raised to 4. This is the final answer. Next is sixth one. 3 by 4 a square plus 3b square into, next 4 into a square minus 2 by 3 b square. Okay, here one 4 is in outside. Okay, you multiply this 4, multiply these two terms. Then 3 by 4 a squared plus 3b squared into 4a squared minus 4 into 2, 8 by 3 b squared. Okay, 4 into 2 by 3 b squared equal to 4 into 2, 8 by 3. This is minus, this is a positive, then minus 8 by 3 b squared. It's the same thing. First term 3 by 4 a square into second expression 4a square minus 8 by 3, 4a square minus 8 by 3 b square. What is the second term? 3b square. Okay, plus 3b square into 4a square minus 8 by 3 b square. Using the distributive property, we can simplify this. 3 by 4a square into 4a square. Multiply this one. Okay, 3 by 4a square into 4a square. Okay, 4 and 4 you can cancel. 3 into a square into a square. What is a square into a square? A raised to 4. 3 into a raised to 4. 3 into a raised to 4. Next, 3 by 4 a square into 8 by 3 b square. So minus sign. Okay, 3 by 4 a square into 8 by 3 b square. Okay, you can cancel these 3. 4 and 8 you can cancel 2 times, and 2a square b square. Next plus 3b square into 4a square means 12a square b square. Next 3b square into minus 8 by 3. B square into minus 8 by 3 b square. 3 and 3 you can cancel. Negative 8 b square into b square. That means b raised to 2 plus 2 equal to b raised to 4. b raised to 4. Then a square b square, here also a square b square. These two terms are like terms, you can add it together. 3a raised to 4 minus 2 plus 12, that means plus 10. Coefficient you add it, minus 2 plus 2, it becomes 10. A square b square, same variable part you should write it, minus 8b raised to 4. This is the final answer.